happened? Because of the unmaturity of the people, because of the lack of awareness. If people are be aware of the development, so why they are doing the wars? Let me complete my point first, because I am speaking that if government should invest money on the self-defense, so we have seen that in now wars are having. If you are talking about the Operation Sindoor, so we have the defense system. That's why we beat Pakistan. First of all, China is supporting Pakistan. First of all, you give me answer of my question in a fast few decades.
So, topic for you both is, where should government invest more money towards defense or development? So, Mehak will be speaking in defense part and Yashika will be in the development.
You got it? डिफेंस पर पैसा खर्च करना है गवर्नमेंट को ज़्यादा या फिर डेवलपमेंट पर करना है? Yeah.
So, Mehak will be for defense and Yashika will be for development.
Yes.
Yes.
I think that our government should invest money in development, because if as far as I know that if our government is investing the money in development, so our country people are educated, they all know about what to do, what not to do, and they will be aware about all the things. I disagree with you, because if government should invest money on self-defense and defense facilities, so I believe that our India will be increased more, because we have seen. I totally disagree with you, because let me complete my point first. Let me complete my point first, because I am speaking that if government should invest money on the self-defense, so we have seen that in now wars are having, and also what about the thing that if government don't have the defense system, so how can we survive? Why wars are happened? Because of the unmaturity of the people, because of the lack of awareness. If people are be aware of the development, so why they are doing the wars? I agree with you that people have awareness that wars are not happening. But what kind of thing are you talking? Because most of the countries, they are developed, they have knowledge, people are aware, but still they are doing wars. I totally disagree with you, because you are thinking that. I think that if people are developed, if our country is developed, so they are be aware of all the things, whether it's a war, whether it's education. Let me complete. I am also talking that if you are saying that people are being aware, people are being developed, then they don't do war. But what kind of thing that most of the countries, people are educated, people are aware about everything. So can you give me an example? Doing wars. Can you give me example apart of Pakistan? Yet I have the example. What kind of China? In China, people are more educated than India. So do you think that China attacked on India? No, only Pakistan, because they are also followed. They are also supporting Pakistan. Let me complete my point. Okay. Because Pakistan is not a developed country, and they are only investing money on the defense system. So but tell me one thing: why China is supporting Pakistan? Why China is supporting Pakistan? Pakistan is also a developed country. People know everything. Who are saying you in the war Operation Sindoor, China attacked Pakistan? No. Sorry to interrupt you. Only if you are talking about the Operation Sindoor, so we have the defense system. That's why we beat Pakistan. First of all, China is supporting Pakistan. First of all, you give me answer of my question in a fast few decades. If the Operation Sindoor has happened, so our government allow the women to do that work? No. But by the development, by the constitution, the women Sufia Qureshi and Vimika Singh are able to do this work. Why? Because they have the defense system. I don't agree. Why? Let me complete my point. Our Indian government support more on defense system. That's why we are beating the Pakistan. Still, China is more developed. I disagree with you. How are you saying that? If countries give me an example first. Let me complete my point.
Okay, all right.
And Mehak, you two have debated well. Now the judges will ask you questions and they will judge who has spoken well.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. थोड़ा दूर रहे आप.
And the way they debated, it looks like कि हम लोग NDTV पर जो debate discussion होता है ना, इस टाइप का एक discussion हो गया था और बिल्कुल एकदम झगड़े वाला feel आ रहा था, है ना?
So we are the
debate
best.
का मतलब ही होता है कि you have to go with the point. That is why. But अच्छा था, it was nice. Yes.
Okay, nice to see the energy. Yashika, you talked about development, right? Yashika, what do you feel like if we are talking about development, isn't defense a part of a development?
Yes, sir, I totally agree with that. Defense is also part of development, because as we know that if in the past few decades our country is not developed and we don't have the system of radars and artificial intelligence, but by the development, like now we are able to do a best defense. So I think that we should invest more and more money in development for our best defense.
Okay, now the question for Mehak.
Yes.
Okay. why do you think that defense is better than development, or the first priority that it should be for the government?
So
in a
because of the thing that peoples are also developed, peoples are also having knowledge about, they have maximum knowledge about everything. They are developed, still developed. But if we don't have defense system, if we don't increase our defense system, so our country will not be in the first position. And I have also talked about the Operation Sindoor. We have the great defense system. That's why we beat Pakistan. Still, Pakistan have the support of China. They have the advanced defense system. But still, India win because of the defense system of our India.
Okay, fine. Any other question?
So as you said just now that that China supported Pakistan in that manner.
Yes, ma'am.
So as if we'll not be investing on development, then how will we get to know that system we need to follow for our stronger defense part? If we'll not be developing ourselves.
Ma'am,
So
can
is
you
it
repeat,
possible?
please?
Is it possible without development we'll be knowing that that defense system is working best for us?
So, ma'am, this is right that I also believe that development is also the part of defense system is also part of development. But I believe that if our defense system is more developed, more increasable, so our India will be developed more, and also another country will be developed if their defense system is good.
Okay. And you,
Yes, ma'am.
as you said about the development part, so for development also we require securities and all the things. We require that, na? If we want to develop ourselves, we require securities, and securities will be given by the defense system only.
Yes, ma'am.
So only by developing internally we'll be getting that secure system. As you can speak here, you are standing here on stage, you can speak freely.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
think somehow that is given by the defense system only. Is it true?
Yes, ma'am. It's only this reason of also the defense and also development, because it's also reason that I am standing here. All the students are standing and sitting here because of the defense. But I think that it's only the important rule of development, because in the ancient time the girls didn't have a right to go anywhere, and also if I am in the ancient time, I also didn't have a right to standing and speaking in front of you.
Ma'am,
Because
I have a
think
question.
that it's a totally importance of the development.
Ma'am, I want to
Okay,
Yashika, I want to ask a question for her, because she is saying that development is more important. To tell me one thing, if our India will be
Okay,
attacked,
okay,
Okay, Yashika and Mahek, we are running out of time actually, and now the judges have judged, but you two have tried well. एक बार clapping हो जाए दोनों बच्चियों
बहुत
की.
बढ़िया.
So, thank you.
Okay, Kamya, you speak for ancient times.
okay, sir.
No, you speak for ancient times, and Kashish will speak for modern times.
I think that Asian time is better, because we see that in Asian time there is our life is peacefully, we enjoy very beautifully, and we spend our time very beautifully. You know, in Asian time we see that there have no more facilities, but they have a peace.
I fully disagree with you, but what do you think about that facilities? In ancient time, we couldn't get any facility, and you know what? That time people think that the women could not do anything.
But I
time,
totally disagree with you, because if we talk about in Asian time, so that time the people have satisfied from their that time's facilities. They have no.
why satisfied? You know what? That time people couldn't think that the women cannot do anything, and they don't give opportunity to the women to do anything.
I think that yes, I agree with
And
you.
in
But
modern time, we get lots of facilities. Like now time, we can see that we.
I agree with you. In our time, there are more facilities. But what about the pollution? What about the problems? We see that in the Asian time, there have no much pollution, because
So
they
that time
don't have.
pollution, that time people create the pollution, because what do you think?
No,
that time,
I think that
Clean
in
India
this
campaign,
time,
you know
I think
what?
that, let me complete my point. In this time, we see that the people are cut the trees for build factories and mills, but it is not happening now time. There was some mills and some factories, and we see that time no more pollution.
Why not pollution? You know what? Clean India, before Clean India campaign, people used to pollute the forest, rivers, and everywhere.
So
What
it
is
is
the
depend.
difference that time?
Excuse me, sorry to interrupt you. You know, it is depend on people to throw the
Not
garbage.
depend-
But what
not
about
depend-
what about the air pollution which is released by the factories? And it is you know the poison gases are releasing for factories and mills, and you know we see that it is polluted our nature, and it is not good for the health of human and other human being.
So that time people also pollute. Now what do you think about other things? Because you know what
Which
is
type
what-
of things? Tell me which
in
type.
now time, modern time, people can aware everything, and people now time we can see that people like to people become educated, and they aware from anything, and that time people are not
But,
educated.
sorry to
and that
interrupt.
time, what do you think about in ancient time? People used to believe in Kala Jadoo and the black and
So I
what
think
thing?
people believe that because it is exit in our time.
No.
But no, it is
No, who
exit.
said you that it is
It is depend on people. My side.
not depend on
You
that
know,
time.
there
It is-
are
it is
also
reality, it
in
is
Asian.
reality.
Let me complete my point. In Asian time, we see that many of the people are open-minded and they study and they complete their graduation. And we see that
Why
in
they
this time,
graduate that time? People, you know what? That time now we can see that in villages people also become educated. But that time people think that educate. That time the people used to take a very think that the education is not important in their
But
life. And
sorry
in
to
villages people
interrupt
are
you.
not
let me speak. You know, you are saying that in this time people are so educated. I believe that in this time many of the village are present where the people think that girls have no need to education.
Who
I
said
think that
Who
it
said
is happen.
Yeah, but,
No, we are not taking. There are
around
also-
90% girls they are also belong to village. How you
yeah,
can say
I
that the
agree with
people
you,
are-
but
that
it
women
is
are-
happen 10%. We see that many of the girls
Only 10%. Only you also believe that 10%, not
Okay,
90%.
okay, I agree with you. You know, you are saying that education. So what about the spend time? We see that it is in modern time the technology are developed, and because of this, the people are don't spend their time with their family. They are busy with
So that
their
time-
mobile. They are busy with telephone. What about that?
But so now time we can see that people are busy because they are because of now we can see that people are doing work, and how you can see that they don't spend time. They also spend time.
No, you are spend time. If you have a free time, so you are operate their mobile. You
Let's give a big hand for both everyone.